What's hot in the Kitsilano single family market for October 2019? The Vancouver Westside single family market continues to favor buyers. That's right, the Vancouver Westside detached market, when you look at it as a whole, that market is actually favoring buyers. But Kitsilano is different. Kitsilano is the only community in the entire Vancouver Westside single family market that's actually favoring sellers. That's right, we're in a seller's market in Kitsilano as of October 2019. 7 homes sold in Kitsilano last month. The least expensive home sold for $1,940,000. And that would have bought you a renovated home on a 33-foot wide lot, a very old home, 99 years old. But it was renovated and was on a 33-foot wide by 110-foot deep lot. The most expensive home sold for $3.5 million, and that would have again bought you a home located on a 33-foot wide lot. This time it was a little bit deeper, 120 feet deep. This home was also renovated and it was a heritage home. But the special thing about this home was its location. It was located north of 4th Avenue. Remember, whenever you cross over 4th Avenue and you get north of 4th, that's when it gets really desirable because you're closer to the water. But this home was right at 3rd Avenue on Trutch, $3.5 million, renovated, nice home again. 27 homes were listed and available and on the market in Kitsilano, and we saw 7 of those homes sell. So remember, the real estate board defines a seller's market when anything over 21% of the homes sell in a given month. And 7 homes sold out of 27 listed and available and on the market amounts to 27%. So Kitsilano saw 27% of the homes that were available sell. Very much into a seller's market in Kitsilano. Sold values in Kitsilano are a little bit lower, but not by much. A little bit lower than what we're seeing in the rest of the Vancouver Westside, and that's probably why we're seeing more sales, because as the prices come down, more people can afford to buy a home. But the median price in Kitsilano is sitting at $2.35 million, whereas when you look at the West Side as a whole, the median price is sitting at $2,480,000, so about $130,000 higher for the median price in the West Side as a whole. If you'd like to take a look at these 7 homes that sold, I've got them all laid out on an area map. I've got the sold price versus the list price. I've got 10 photographs for each of these 7 homes that sold, and feel free to download that package of information by clicking on the link above or below, depending on whether you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube. And if you'd like to contact me, if you're looking at selling or buying into the Vancouver Westside, now might be a great time to buy. You can reach me anytime at 604-808-9796. And my name is David Seton with Oakwyn Realty and Answers in Real Estate, and I specialize in selling and marketing homes in the Vancouver Westside. Feel free to contact me anytime. Thank you so much for listening today.